Although we know from our everyday life that temperature and heat are related, they are not the same physical property. For example, the units are different. Metric units for temperature include Celsius and Kelvin, while those for energy or heat include joule and calorie. Heat depends on the amount of matter, while temperature doesn't. Consider an adult man and an infant. Both have the same normal body temperature, although the adult male will generate far more body heat than the infant will. Furthermore, there is an absolute zero of temperature which occurs in the presence of matter, while there is no absolute zero of energy or heat as long as matter is present. So how are heat and temperature related? When temperature changes, matter will lose or gain heat according to the direction of the temperature change. The ability of matter to lose or gain heat is quantified by specific heat capacity, which your textbook abbreviates capital S, capital H. This is equal to the amount of heat required to raise 1 gram of a substance 1 degree Celsius. The relationship between heat and temperature also depends on mass. Table 1.5 of the textbook tabulates the specific heat capacity of a dozen or so substances. Notice that the units for specific heat are calories per gram per degree Celsius. Water has the highest specific heat capacity listed at 1.00. Its ability to absorb heat with minimal temperature change makes it a good coolant. However, it also makes heating water time-consuming and expensive. Air has a specific heat capacity of 0.24 calories per gram per degree Celsius, while metals have much lower specific heat capacities. Metals are useful in cookware because of their ability to change temperature with small amounts of heat. Copper, for example, has a small specific heat capacity of 0.092 calories per gram per degree Celsius. Let's apply these values on table 1.5. Why is copper cookware more effective than iron cookware? Since copper has a lower specific heat capacity than iron, it is able to heat up more quickly than iron is. Less heat is required for copper to change its temperature gram for gram compared to iron.